Hey there, fellow singers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name's Kalena from Voice Savvy, and we are dedicated to helping you reach your highest potential as singers. Now, I'm thrilled to have you here for another inspiring video. Today, we're diving into the topic that can truly transform our singing journeys, which is about the power of stepping out of our comfort zones. Now, as singers, it's natural for us to feel comfortable within the boundaries of what we know. But true growth, transformation, and breakthroughs happen when we dare to explore new territories and embrace the unfamiliar. Stepping out of our comfort zones opens the doors to new experiences, artistic expressions, and personal growth. It's where the magic happens. So, my fellow singers, I challenge you today to break free from the confines of the familiar. Let's embrace the unknown and venture into uncharted territory with our voices and our music. So you can experiment with different musical genres, explore techniques you've never tried before, or even collaborate with musicians from diverse backgrounds. Take risks and don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. We need to make mistakes, but by stepping out of our comfort zones, we invite growth and we can transform our artistry and discover our true potential as singers. And it's gonna feel uncomfortable. You know, at first it's gonna feel uncomfortable, but the rewards are immeasurable. As a community, let's encourage and support one another when it comes to stepping out of our comfort zones. Share your experiences, celebrate your triumphs, and uplift those who are embarking on new artistic journeys. Together, we can inspire each other to push the boundaries of our creativity and embrace growth. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. But thanks for joining me today. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss out on an update. For free vocal training, challenges, and community, you can download our Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store or Google Play. But until next time, I just want to leave you with this. Let's embrace the thrill of the unknown and create extraordinary music. Let's step out of our comfort zone and get comfortable with being uncomfortable, because that is how we grow. Until next time, peace.